That same way.
Alright guys, so we made it back to our hotel. Some snacks, as you can see, CC lemon. My favorite pizza chips. They don't really taste like pizza, more so like just cheese. The kids some drinks. And my favorite coffee, which I'm gonna drink right before bed. So we're watching Japanese TV,
look at this.
eating chips,
they talking about how to clean
and Adam is, yeah, let's watch it, is just resting on the bed. So I'll show you guys him. He's a little bit better, but still not himself. Josh says he's acting like him.
Go back and watch the vlog. Don't I would say that.
His temperature was 102, by the way, if we didn't, if we didn't let you guys know. Diarrhea, vomiting, all that stuff. So that stopped. He did take down some, we ordered, but we bought one of those huge chicken legs, but we didn't vlog it, and he did eat that, the turkey leg. That was really good. It actually tastes like ham, but that's pretty much all he ate today. So I'll show you guys him, not Jordan, because she doesn't have her night clothes on yet. And then we're going to see you guys tomorrow on day 2 of this Tokyo Disney vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, thumbs it up. And also subscribe if you're new.
Right now.
Morning guys. So we're going Disney day 2. Today we're going to Disneyland. Yesterday was Disney Sea. If you haven't watched that vlog, make sure you go and check it out. I'll leave it in the description box down below. Just to fill you in, yesterday Adam was a little sick, so we did what we could with a sick baby, and we did have to visit the Disneyland clinic, which is like first aid. So they helped us out a lot, and yeah, if you ever are in Tokyo Disney and you need to visit the clinic, I highly suggest you do it because they were very helpful. And they got us a cab. We went through the back lot.
Hey girl.
We went through the back lot, and luckily our room is literally right in front of the Disneyland, so about a 5-minute drive. So good morning. It's a beautiful day today. Thank God there's no rain, and we're going to try to go get breakfast. So we'll see you in a little bit. This one is feeling a lot better. Jordan, you want to come say good morning? Come over here so we can see you and Daddy, and then we'll go. Wait.
Good morning. Disneyland day 2. Let's get it.
Is it good?
Yeah, I love grapes.
You love what?
Grapes. I love grapes. And I love purple grapes.
So Josh came back with some fancy food on his plate. Salad, tofu, rice. Typical Japanese breakfast. Once again, stroller rental for the win. Writing our kids' names here, so when we leave our strollers, we know which one belongs to our kids. These are what the strollers look like. And the park is right over there. A little bear, a light tan bear. I want to get in front of the Disney sign, so I'm going to go behind you. Family Robinson tree house. We never did this before when we came to the park. We just got off the Pirates of the Caribbean ride. That was fun. And after we got off the ride, oh, there's the castle. After we got off the ride, Adam was like, the pirates had guns and they had animals and swords. And I'm like, aw. So far so good. He still doesn't feel 100%, but we're making the best of what we can. At least he wants to climb up this beautiful tree house. I'll show you some of that while we're here. Ooh. She's with them, right, Jor? Dad is finally back after a 10-minute wait. Oh, you got yourself a personal one. 10-minute wait. We got ice lollies. Minnie, and Mickey orange.
Yeah.
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 Be careful. Hold the stick.
Hey.
Hi. After a 10-minute wait, we finally got ice lollies. Big turkey leg where dreams come true. Let's go. Famous Mickey waffle. Those mangoes, Jordan. We're in this store called New Days, which is like Boston. So they have onigiri rice balls. Do you want a rice ball? You can actually take all this stuff into the Disney park if you don't want to spend a lot of money. And the kids are getting lollipops. I'm getting water, and Jordan has a ice cream. Why are you so loud? All right, Jordan, let's go. All right, guys, so we found Lola's cupcake. Apparently, there's a Krispy Kreme in here as well, but look at these cute little cupcakes. Oh, look at that tiny, small cookies and cream. That should be a 50-cent cupcake. That thing is $2.60. Oh, that's a happy birthday cupcake, $6. What's that? Oh, that looks so good. Whoa. Those over there look like taste testers. Wow. Thank you. We're looking for a drugstore because I only bought 1 pack of wipes, and because of Adam's situation about the blowouts, we ran out of wipes. That's not good in Tokyo Disneyland. And we don't leave until tomorrow, so. Is this the drugstore? You found wipes? Right beside Lola's cupcake. Smells like a drugstore. Yeah, Oompa Man. So we found some shrimp gyoza. That's different. Probably tastes good though. What's that? Oh, this is a sandwich shop. Sandwich shop. Some more Japanese sandwiches, egg, maybe some beans, whipped cream. I really don't know if that's beans or whipped cream. It might be not though. Strawberry? Strawberry? Meat and egg. Are you really getting that? Dad's getting taco balls, takoyaki. Get the small one. And we gotta find Krispy Kreme just to say we found it. This is what Dad's getting. Takoyaki. You gonna eat with Dad? Open this, please. You did? Small. Oh, nice. Josh is bringing all his change. You're doing a halamoso move. Get the small one. Jordan, why are you opening up your toothbrushes right now? So she found a cool toothbrush inside the drugstore. It's a pig one. It pops up. You don't want to open that right now because you don't want germs to get on it, okay? Leave it inside the container. We'll use it when you get back to the hotel, okay? Don't open it. Don't take her out. Adam has one too. I think they think it's toys, but it's toothbrush. See? You brush your teeth. You got the tiger one. Y'all see my husband's food moving right now?
What's wrong?
Oh my god, I can't eat that.
Okay, so you run.
Famous Krispy Kreme. Oh, wow. How cute. Josh, I should just get one to see if it tastes like the ones from America. Original glaze. You have $1.50? Hey guys, so we just got back to the hotel for a Disney break. Adam just broke my glasses. Great job. Can't have anything nice with kids. But we're taking a break until later, and then we'll go back and see the parade. But this is my first time using a water kettle. I poured water up here. I don't read Japanese. My translator said, you know, this is reboil. So I pressed that. Now it says 70. When I turned it on, it said 20. So I don't know if it's ready or not, but we'll see. By the way, our hotel only sells like cup noodle. They don't have sandwiches in the convenience store that they have downstairs. Wow, so this is what I ended up getting. This cup noodle.
Oh, you gotta cook sugar.
It was about $3. Alright. That's how I use it. No water's coming out there. Do you know how to use this?
No, mine.
Josh,
Huh?
do you know how to use the water kettle?
I'm sure she knows that.
Obviously, I don't. Pressing all the buttons.
Yeah. Now look at this movie.
Is it hot? Okay, Yes, I figured it out. Or
I figured it out.
I figured it out first.
Have a look over here. Alright. Alex, you got this movie.
I'm beating you up.
I'm gonna beat. I got you.
All right.
Fast walk through.
So we're back at the park after a nap. Earlier today around 4 o'clock there was an earthquake, so they shut all the rides down anyway. So yeah, we're back and we're checking to see if the rides are open now. So I think the earthquake was like a 5, I don't know, but we'll let you guys know. No one was hurt at Disney during the earthquake. Says Josh, as always. What else is new? You're weird.
A moving cart.
Whatever, Josh.
Both of us. Could be a floating head.
Whatever. Alright, parade's about to start.
I was thinking the same thing. I was gonna sit on these. Where's the fire, bro?
Where? See Minnie? Okay, sit down. She's gonna come by you. Alright guys, so as you can see, I put 2 diapers on Adam. This one, he's still sick. Wait, say good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. I have fun no tell because I had a new bus toy. And in this bus they have a bathroom.
Yep.
Mommy! Watch this.
Watch this. What am I watching? Hold on, don't step on my bag. What am I watching? You're gonna be Spider-Man? Whoa. Spider-Man's on the bus. Okay. Alright, say bye-bye Disneyland.
Bye-bye.
No, not Spider-Man. Say bye-bye Disneyland.